Welcome back to the Aviator Zone, guys. On this episode, we're taking the Baron up for a spin. We just got the Christmas gift for it. We got GAMI injectors on both engines, so we're going to go ahead and test those out. Hopefully everybody's having a good holiday. Let's go flying. Oh, I also got Yoski with me. Yoski is a helicopter commercial pilot. He's going to start taking some lessons here soon.
Hey guys.
You can also go check out his channel. He has a channel he's getting started as well, helicopter flying.
November 158, Bravo, 10 Miami Tower. Thank you for your patience. Runway 27 left, Echo 4. Clear for takeoff, westbound approved.
27 left, Echo 4, clear for takeoff, westbound approved. 158, Bravo, no problem, sir.
Tower,
Here we go.
219,
You ready?
looking for the visual for 27 left.
Number 219 Tango Bravo, 10 Miami Tower. I assume full stop. Runway 27 left, clear land.
Hey, 27 left, clear land, 9, take a Bravo.
Alright, you ready to feel some real power?
Jesus.
Cessna 48810, 10 Miami Tower. Fly straight out. Runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
See for takeoff, 4810, thank you.
Keep your eyes out for flunking birds.
Does it actually matter? Like if you run into one, it's probably all.
Yeah, we don't want to lose any GoPros.
But like, if they fly into the propeller, then what's gonna happen?
It'll break the propeller.
Oh really?
Possibly, yeah.
But then you guys can still like glide down, right?
Well, we just shut down an engine. If it hits one of the props, we'll just shut one of them down.
Alright.
And then go back to the airport.
Sounds simple.
Pretty simple. Alright, autopilot's coming on. Heading. And altitude. Now we're done.
What? That's it?
That's it.
Oh my god.
So we're back at the hangar, and as you guys saw, the GAMI injectors ran pretty smoothly. You can actually tell a difference since the time you start the engine to the time you land. Everything just sounds different. The engine's a lot more tuned. It just sounds like a constant noise versus changing of noises. I love them so far. And they're not perfect yet. I still have to do another flight where I actually measure all the peak EGTs to make sure that everything is correctly as GAMI wants them to be. And then I really know how much my fuel savings are. Right now, I took the airplane on a long flight, and I think I'm saving so far about 2, maybe 3 gallons an hour. But they're not perfect yet. Once they will be perfect, I'll share all that information with you guys and show you the whole process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.